Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to check your Kroger fuel points in 2025. If you're a Kroger shopper, you know these points can save you big at the pump. Whether you're stocking up on groceries or just grabbing essentials, tracking your fuel points is a game changer for your wallet. So, let's jump right in and make this quick and easy for you. First off, what are Kroger fuel points? They're rewards you earn from shopping at Kroger stores, which you can redeem for discounts on gas. In 2025, Kroger has made it even simpler with updated apps and online tools. The most straightforward way is through the Kroger app. Start by downloading or updating the app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you're in, log in with your Kroger account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly using your email or phone number. Now, after logging in, head to the Rewards, or Fuel Points, section, usually found on the home screen or in a dedicated tab. Here, you'll see your current balance of fuel points displayed prominently. For a more detailed view, tap on it to see your recent transactions, how many points you've earned from purchases, and when they expire. Pro tip: in 2025, the app might use facial recognition or fingerprint login for faster access, so keep an eye out for that feature. If you prefer not to use the app, you can check online. Go to the Kroger website, log into your account, and navigate to the rewards page. It's just as easy, and if you're at the store, simply scan your Kroger card at the fuel pump or ask a cashier. They can pull up your points on the spot. Remember, points typically expire after a certain period, so check regularly to make the most of them. That's it for the basics. By following these steps, you'll always know exactly how many fuel points you have. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.